In this video I will guide you on how to obtain a transcript of any YouTube video for free. If you're looking to get a written version of the spoken content in a YouTube video, follow this tutorial to easily achieve that. To begin, open the desired YouTube video. Once the video loads, scroll down until you can see the title, like and dislike buttons. Look for a small circle with 3 horizontal dots and click on it. From the drop-down menu, select Show Transcript. This will display the transcript of the video, which may be auto-generated or submitted by the video's creator. Now you can see the transcript. To copy it, click on the 3 vertical dots beside the X and choose Toggle Timestamp. The timestamps will disappear. Next, click and drag to select the entire transcript, from top to bottom. Right-click on the selection, choose Copy, and you can paste it anywhere you like. That's how you can easily obtain a transcript of any YouTube video. For more how-to tutorials, please subscribe or click our other videos to keep on watching.